The KODA Bentham Outdoor LED Post Lantern is the perfect addition for your home if you have a column or metal post. Installation is easy. First, turn off the main power at the fuse or circuit breaker. You may also use a non-contact voltage tester to ensure no power is running to the wire. Be sure to wear safety glasses during installation. Remove the existing fixture. Use the included measuring template to mark new mounting hole locations. Drill 4 holes with a 1/4-inch drill bit. For concrete surfaces, insert the provided plastic anchors. Place the lantern base on the column and screw down with provided hardware. Caulk the base of the mounting surface with silicone sealant to prevent moisture ingress. Make the following wire connections. Using the provided wire nuts, connect the black wire to the black wire, white to white, and the copper ground to the corresponding ground wire. Slip the lantern on the base and secure with the set screws. Install the LED light bulb, and finally, place the top of the lantern and tighten with the 2 thumb screws. For pole mount installation, repeat the previous steps, and after connecting the wires, position the lantern on the pole. Using self-tapping screws, drive them into the pole through the lantern base. Finish by inserting the light bulb and installing the lantern top. Once installation is finished, turn the breaker back on to send power to the lantern. The lantern includes a photo cell which automatically turns the light off during the day, then on at night. To disable the dusk to dawn feature, place the provided cap over the photo cell. The Bentham light is a companion to the popular coach light, allowing you to have a cohesive look of outdoor light.